Hi moms! Hands-free pumping is a lifesaver, and here's how to do it efficiently. Wear a hands-free pumping bra so you can move your hands freely. Sit in a supportive chair and relax your shoulders. Attach the breast shields carefully and adjust suction to comfort. Pump for 15 to 20 minutes on each side. You can read, scroll your phone, or even do light chores while pumping. Switch breasts halfway through for balanced milk collection. After pumping, clean your pump and store milk properly. Hands-free pumping saves time and makes the process much more comfortable.